switch. Here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done running. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. That's a grind hydraulic roller. Obviously it's Borla, all polished out, beautiful setup. Terminator X, Holley. Got the March front ends on it. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 474 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 515, peak horsepower 520. So we're rated at 500. It's got the front end on it, so it really runs good. That's the Borla. So get her out there again. I think they're putting it in on a car side, so we'll get her over to the car side, get ready for installation. Have a great day.